rendezvous at Planet Z. I will communicate with Star Command to coordinate our mission. Battle stations, report to the flight deck for immediate launch. And at the mercy of Zurg.
Star Command confirms you're all battle-ready recruits.
All right, rookie Space Rangers, listen up. Green Squadron will retrieve the power cells, while the rest of you concentrate on those robots. We'll rendezvous at Planet Z. I will communicate with Star Command to coordinate our mission. Battle stations, report to the flight deck for immediate launch. To infinity and beyond! Stand by. Scatter's detecting more trouble in Sector 9. No doubt it's the work of that nefarious criminal, the sworn enemy of the Galactic Alliance, the evil Emperor Zurg. What? His robotic army is stealing crystallic fusion power cells. Without those cells, we'll all be...
Next on the prep list, sit back and face forward as I lower your cruiser shield. Mission time. Remember your training. Next on the prep list, sit back and face forward as I lower your cruiser shield. Space Ranger, it's mission time. Stay safe. Remember your training.
Final checks. Test your blasters. Whoa! Great blasting. Right in the middle of the seat. Perfect. Okay, you take it from here. Time to make Zurg change his tune. Rock it and roll.
Keep it up. Star Command believes in you. And so do I. Everyone, stay together. Zurg may have greater numbers, but our teamwork will Stay laser focused on your laser's focus. Keep blasting those bugs. Zurg has recruited some extra terrible extraterrestrials.
Be warned, Space Rangers. Now you will feel my wrath. Reconnect the power cells. Power! I need more power! No one can stop me now!
Zurg Zurg's diabolical plot must be stopped. Space Rangers, to the rescue! Zurg rule the galaxy.
I must destroy you! Last line! Impossible! No one can aim so precisely!
Our way, Space Rangers.
I must destroy you!
Shoot the drum!
Impossible! No one can aim so precisely! Ruin everything!
Fire and Space Rangers. Zurg's secret weapon is nearly destroyed.
No! My secret weapon! Ruin!
Green Squadron. Secure the power cells for transport.
Stars. Kick back, I'll bring you in for landing. That was astro-amazing! Great work! I'll take it from here.
Mission accomplished, Space Rangers. Check your dashboard and review your rank. As always, to infinity and beyond.
Curse you, Buzz Lightyear!